So this is how I'm making champagne Jello shots ready for the New Year's Eve party. First thing I have in a saucepan, I'm going to pour 1.5 cups of champagne. We're going to bring this to a boil on high. Let me just turn this on. You gotta make sure to watch the champagne as it becomes to a boil. And the champagne is almost comes to a boil. I can see it's gonna be rolling over. I'm just going ahead to remove it from the heat. Now I'm going to be using 3-ounce box of Gefen Unflavored Clear Gel Dessert because this is one of my favorite. Let me just put it right in. I'm just going to stir these using with the wire whisk. The gel powder can be dissolved with the hot champagne. I gotta break all the lumps of the gelatin powder. The gelatin powder is already dissolved with the hot champagne. I'm going to pour 1/2 cup of lemon juice. Just gonna make sure to keep stirring. It's just almost getting warm with the champagne, the lemon juice, and the gelatin. We're gonna add a flavor. You're gonna need 2 teaspoons of any flavor of the extract, which is the lemon extract, orange extract, pure vanilla, even the peppermint or rum, of course. But today I'm gonna be using the strawberry extract and raspberry extract. I measure about 1 teaspoon of that. I just put it right here. I'm just gonna make it really colorful. To keep that whisking over. Oh yeah, of course, coconut extract would be nice and coconut taste. Just almost there for the champagne. I'm going to go ahead ladle of the mixture into the plastic dessert cup. You can also use a champagne glass as well. Alright, I just fill out with 3 of this dessert cup. I'm just going to put these for 2 hours until the jello will be nice and set. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks before I'm going to decorate. Alright, that happens after for 2 hours or until firm. I just already took it out from the refrigerator. And now we're going to sprinkle some of the colored sugar. We're going to use with yellow sugar. This could be for the New Year's Eve style. I'm going to add something with some strawberries and blueberries. That could be for the nice and decorative. And here you go. Here is the finish. Champagne Jello shots. Isn't that beautiful? You're gonna love those for the party. If you're interested for more recipes, let me know in the comments below. We are always for sharing. You want to subscribe to my channel, click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for everyone. As always, Happy New Year.